What's the meaning of arbitrageur? Arbitrageur. Arbitrageur.
Arbitrageur. Arbitrageur. An arbitrageur is an individual or firm that engages in arbitrage, which involves buying and selling assets in different markets to take advantage of price discrepancies. By doing so, an arbitrageur can make a profit without taking on any significant risk. For example, if the price of a security is lower in one market than in another, an arbitrageur can buy the security in the cheaper market and immediately sell it in the more expensive market, earning a profit. Overall, an arbitrageur seeks to exploit inefficiencies in the market to earn a profit.